Game on! Learning English through interactive games. Hello, language learners! Today, we're going to explore an exciting part of your English language journey, interactive games. We'll be discussing how you can incorporate these games into your daily routine to make learning English even more fun and engaging. Interactive games are digital activities that provide an engaging way for learners to improve their language skills. The games often involve various tasks requiring the application of your English knowledge. These games can range from word puzzles, interactive stories, role-playing games, to quizzes, and they are usually designed in a way that allows you to practice both written and spoken English. Why should we use interactive games in learning English? Well, firstly, they're fun and engaging. Interactive games can provide an interesting and enjoyable way to learn and practice English. Secondly, games often involve contextual learning, meaning you learn language use in context, which helps with understanding nuances. Finally, games can provide instant feedback, so you can see immediately where you've made mistakes and correct them. So, how can you incorporate these games into your daily English learning routine? Here are some tips. 1. Set a dedicated game time. It could be after dinner, during a lunch break, or whenever you have some spare time. 2. Pick the right game for your level. Choose games that are challenging but not too difficult. The goal is to learn, not to get frustrated. 3. Regularly change games. To ensure you're covering a wide range of vocabulary and grammar, try to vary the games you play. This will also keep things interesting. Let's explore some types of interactive games. Remember, this is a hypothetical exercise and not specific recommendations. 1. Word Wizard. In this game, you'll be given scrambled letters, and your task is to form as many words as you can within a time limit. 2. Grammar Detective. You're given a short text with grammar mistakes, and your mission is to find and correct them. 3. Vocabventure. A word is given, and you have to find synonyms, antonyms, or use the word in a sentence. 4. Dialogue Drama. A role-playing game where you engage in dialogues based on different real-life situations. That wraps up our exploration of learning English through interactive games. Remember, the key to effective learning is to keep it fun and engaging. We hope you've enjoyed this video and are ready to game your way to English proficiency. Happy gaming, and we'll see you in the next video.